Hi, my name is Ken Crotts. I'm with eXp Realty, and I just wanted to take a moment to explain to you how our Northwest Express Offers program works. In addition to being able to market houses traditionally and do remodels, with Northwest Express Offers, we have multiple cash buyers, institutional buyers, looking to buy properties in our market area. We represent you, unlike most situations where the cash buyer represents himself or the agent represents a cash buyer. We're looking to get you the best deal at the highest price for your property from a cash buyer that can be flexible and meet your real estate needs. Once we sign a representation agreement with you, we submit your property to our Northwest Express Offers platform and other institutional cash buyers who can be very flexible with closing and other terms, but are all cash in nature. So they don't have appraisals, they don't have the nitpicky underwriting, they don't have the issues that traditional buyers have. This gives you the opportunity to present your house to multiple buyers that have cash, where you can select the highest offer, the one that meets your needs. And you know what? If you don't get one that meets your needs, we have two other ways to sell your house for top dollar that will ensure that you get your real estate housing needs met. My name is Ken Crotts. I'm with eXp Realty, and I want to bring you the best in real estate with Northwest Express Offers.